In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently delete your Trello account step by step. If you no longer use Trello, want to remove your data, or simply wish to close your Atlassian account completely, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Keep in mind that deleting your Trello account also affects your Atlassian account, since Trello is owned by Atlassian. I'll explain what that means as we go. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser and log in to the account you want to delete. Once you're inside your Trello workspace, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. Go ahead and click on your avatar to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to your Trello account settings page, where you can manage your personal information and account preferences. Inside the settings page, look for the option that says Manage or Delete your Atlassian account. Click on that link. As soon as you do this, you'll be redirected away from Trello and taken to the Atlassian account management page. This is completely normal because Trello accounts are managed through Atlassian's central account system. Once you're on the Atlassian profile page, look for the menu option labeled Account Preferences. Click on Account Preferences to continue. Now, inside the Account Preferences section, scroll until you find the Delete Account option. Click on Delete Account. You may see a confirmation screen explaining what happens when you delete your account. This usually includes losing access to Trello boards, Jira, Confluence, and any other Atlassian services connected to this account. Go ahead and click Delete Account again to proceed. Atlassian wants to make sure you truly intend to remove your account, so you'll likely be asked to confirm your identity. This may involve entering your password again and possibly verifying your request through a confirmation email sent to your registered email address. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If you receive a confirmation email, open your inbox and click the verification link provided. This step is required to finalize the deletion request. It's important to understand that Atlassian typically applies a 14-day grace period after you request deletion. During this time, your account is scheduled for permanent deletion, but not immediately erased. If you change your mind within those 14 days, you may be able to recover your account by logging back in and canceling the deletion request. After the grace period ends, your account and associated data are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. And that's it. That's how you permanently delete your Trello account the correct way. Just remember that since Trello is tied to your Atlassian account, deleting it removes access to other Atlassian services linked to the same login. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.